Hi, I'm Rich Murphy. I'm the National Sales Manager for Lochinvar in the Swimming Pool Heater Division. And we're here at the William Woolitz Aquatic Center in the city of Irvine, California. Behind me you can see the complex, and we have 3 pools. 2 are 50-meter competition pools and 1 is an activity pool. I'd like to take you through some of the product that we have here and tell you a little about what we did and how it's functioning. This 1520, and there are 2 of these, there's 2 1520s, and these 1520s actually replace 2 million BTU heaters that were here previously. Now these units are rated at 97% efficiency. They're indirect fired, so the pool water never comes through the boiler. It actually comes through an external heat exchanger, which we'll show you in a few moments. We're now in front of the AQUAS 1520. This is the largest of our units that we offer. And we offer the AQUAS system starting at 400,000, and we go up to the largest, which is our XPN 1520, which we're standing in front of now. Now in this particular application, we have 2 1520s. This is the first one. This one we designated as our leader. The second one we designate as a member. Now we do something we call cascading, which means these 2 units are linked together. We're going to equalize the runtime. The logic inside this unit will actually start reading the water temperatures, and it will start configuring and decide how much firepower, how much heat we need to keep the water at a desired temperature. And it'll ramp up. These units will modulate 10-to-1, so it'll match load the heat performance of what we require in the swimming pool. Okay, here we are at the main screen, and you can see we have a number of options that we can press, and we can bring up various information. It's a touch screen, so if I go in here and I touch temps, it'll now give me my temperatures, my inlet, my outlets. It'll actually tell me what my flue temperature is, what my set points are, my systems, and so forth. Now we're on the back side of the AQUAS 1520, and here's where we have the indirect pool heating taking place. As you'll see here, we have our heat exchanger, and this is actually where the pool water is coming through and being heated. Now we isolate the pool water from the boiler, as opposed to direct fired, where pool water actually goes through the boiler itself. With indirect, we do not put the pool water through the boiler. It reduces the potential of losing a heat exchanger in a boiler should you have adverse water chemistry. And obviously with pools, we deal with chlorine, we deal with pH adjusters, we deal with calcium, we deal with acids. All these things can affect metal surfaces. So we like to keep the water being heated external from the boiler itself. Superheated water is coming out of the boiler, pool water is coming across, the 2 are passing, heat's being transferred to the pool water, and then it returns back to the pool. Now in addition back here, what you'll see is our venting, and you'll notice that the venting is in PVC. Now unlike direct fired units in most cases have to use metallic venting or other types of venting, we can use PVC because of our efficiency and our low losses, and our stack temperatures are low enough to handle PVC, and we can go up to 100 equivalent feet, both with our air intake and on our vent side. Now, because these are high efficient units, and these units are rated up to 97%, these are condensating units. And you'll notice too back here, and you can probably see it, we have our trap for the condensate. These units are going to condense. We want them to condense. The more the condensate, the higher the efficiency, and more heat we're transferring into that pool water.